Hey, it's Mike here with AutoAnything.com. Today we're going to take a closer look at EBC brake kits. EBC is a one-stop shop with their brake kits. They offer a variety of different brake pad compounds and rotor options to best suit your driving style. Starting with a daily driver, they offer their Ultimax pads and their premium rotors. This is the right choice for an OE style replacement. If you want more out of your brakes, EBC has you covered. For a modest upgrade in braking performance, they offer their Green Stuff pads. This will give you better braking power and an improved pedal feel over stock. But if you still want more, there's Red Stuff and Yellow Stuff. The Red Stuff pads are a perfect choice for a larger or higher power car that wants improved stopping power while still being noise-free with minimal dust. If you need the best in braking performance, look no further than their Yellow Stuff brake pads. These have the most stopping power and best heat fade resistance. Pair these up with a set of their Ultimax slotted or dimpled and slotted sport rotors. This will give you improved brake bite as well. Get yours here today at AutoAnything.com.